welcome to the Reliant Regal restoration videos. Thanks for subscribing to the channel. Please like and share the videos, and please subscribe more. Get more people subscribing. It's great to see you actually enjoying these. So the last video I had thought I was going to be able to strip the whole chassis in one night. Didn't quite go to plan. There was a lot more heavier lifting than I expected. So tonight I'm going to try and achieve what I didn't achieve the other day, which is getting the rest of the chassis to bits. So we'll stick it on a time lapse and we'll see how it goes. Right, that's about an hour I think I've been at this. Brakes all removed, well, brake pipes in the brake cylinder, which is seized, but I'll be cleaning it out, refurbishing it, as long as it's not porous. Next on my challenge is a steering column, which should come out easy I think, as long as these bolts come out. But we'll see how that goes. I've got that to come out. And then I'm ready to separate the rear end and the front end. And the chassis is ready to lift off. So this shouldn't be long now. That's the steering column off, the steering assembly came off so easy. Next challenge is take this off and unbolt it there and drop the whole front end off, and that earth wire I need to take off, I keep missing it. Then I'm going to go to the back, undo the two bolts at the front, undo the strap to stop the suspension bottom out, let the whole thing drop down, and the chassis is in bits. And there we have it. The front end is off. I've took the wheel off it so it would sit better. And the rear drivetrain is off. It's just sitting below the chassis. I didn't see any point in moving it tonight, because this is all I'm going to be doing. Yeah, it's all disconnected. Found a little bit of rot in the chassis, round in the rear. You can see it's bulged up a bit. There's a previous repair below here. But then when I took the screwdriver and started picking, there's actually a soft bit down here. See the hole just below my finger. So this will probably need some work. There's a wee hole here, which looks like it's been there for years. There's a bit of a buckle in here and some brazing. So this will all need some attention, this chassis rail. Just at that localised repairs. Should be quite straightforward though. And apart from that, there's a little repair on the front to do, which is there. And I believe that's it. New battery box to make as well. And that'll be it. But thanks for watching, guys. This is the end of this episode of it again. Please like and subscribe the videos. Must be this Reliant, mixing my words. The subscriptions mean a lot to me, knowing that you enjoy the videos. It really makes all this hard work worth it in the end. I mean, before it meant so much to me getting these cars out to rallies and people enjoying them, but to be able to bring it to people all around the world that won't see these locally, it means the world to me, and people are enjoying this. So please like and subscribe to the channel and keep up to date with this restoration, and hopefully, fingers crossed, this will be coming together quite quick.